Another Friday morning, another small town sky. People heading off to work as the sunrise rolls by. But somewhere far from home now, under unfamiliar stars, a soldier stands the midnight watch, still carrying our scars. While we live these ordinary days, we give up everything. So every Friday morning we raise our colors high and sing. For the ones deployed away, so they know we haven't changed. Let it stand, let it show they're never fighting alone. We're ready for the brave still overseas, for the guardians of peace. From back roads to city lights, we stand with them tonight. Empty seats at dinner tables, missed birthdays through a phone. Children drawing little flags, waiting for their heroes home. And every silent sacrifice still echoes through this land. Freedom isn't free at all, it's carried by their hands. So before the day moves on, before the moment fades, take 1 second to remember the price they're paying every day. We're ready for the ones deployed away, so they know we haven't changed. Let it stand, let it show they are never fighting alone. We're ready for the brave still overseas, for the guardians of peace. From back roads to city lights, we stand with them tonight. No matter where the orders lead, no matter how far they roam, there's a million hearts across this land still calling them back home. For the ones still holding strong, so they know they still belong. Raise your voice, raise your light, carry them through every night.